Today we are going to learn exercise 3.6. The question is, solve the following pairs of linear equations by reducing them. The first sum is 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2, and the second equation is 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y is equal to 13 upon 6. This is the first sum. We see the variables x and y in the denominator. If you see all the sums till exercise 3.5, we had x and y in the numerator. Here you can see the variables x and y in the denominator. So when we find the variables x and y in the denominator, by giving proper substitutions, we are going to convert the variables to the numerator. The substitution is 1 upon x, we are going to take it as a, and 1 upon y, we are going to take it as b. So this 1 upon x is going to become a. So it is a upon 2 plus b upon 3 is equal to 2. Remember, the numbers will remain in the same place, whereas the variable 1 upon x is substituted by a and 1 upon y is substituted by b. So this is the reduced equation, and the second equation becomes a upon 3 plus b upon 2 is equal to 13 upon 6. Once again I tell you, 1 upon x becomes a, this 3, 2 and all other numbers remain in the same place only. Because it is a fraction, we find LCM, we simplify. LCM of 2 and 3, 6, 3 into a, 3a plus 2b is equal to 2. And here too we find LCM, it is 2a plus 3b is equal to 13 upon 6. So it is 3a plus 2b is equal to 12. I have cross multiplied. This I am going to name it as equation number 1. Here if I take, it becomes 2a plus 3b is equal to 13 upon 6 into 6. The 6 goes here. So 6 gets cancelled. My second equation is 2a plus 3b equal to 13 is the second equation. Now this can be solved by any one of the algebraic method we have learnt. It can be substitution method or elimination method or cross multiplication method. But among the three, the simple method is elimination method. Therefore here I am going to use elimination. To make a coefficient same, we are going to multiply first equation by 2 and second equation by 3. So multiplying all the terms of the first equation by 2, we get 6a plus 4b is equal to 24. And here multiplying by 3, we get here 6a plus 9b equal to 39. I am going to subtract the equation. Therefore this becomes minus, minus, and here also minus. 6a gets cancelled. 4b minus 9b becomes minus 5b. 24 minus 39 becomes minus 15. Therefore b is equal to 3. This is my third equation. So I am going to substitute this third result in the first equation. It can be substituted in the first or in the second. So here the first equation is 3a plus 2b is equal to 12. The value of b is 3. So here we are going to substitute 3. 3a plus 2 into 3 is equal to 12. 3a plus 6 is equal to 12. 3a equal to 6, 12 minus 6. A is equal to what? 6 upon 3, which is equal to 2. Therefore, we got A equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. But what is the substitution we have taken for A? It is 1 upon x. So 1 upon x equal to 2 and 1 upon y is equal to 3. Taking reciprocal, we want x and y in the numerator. So I take reciprocal of 1 upon x, becomes x. Hence we should take reciprocal on the other side also. Reciprocal of 2 becomes 1 upon 2. Similarly, y becomes 1 upon. Therefore, the values of x and y are 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3. The second sum is 2 upon root x plus 3 upon root y is equal to 2 and 4 upon root x plus minus 9 upon root y is equal to minus 1. You can say 2 upon root x plus 3 upon root y is equal to 2. 4 upon root x minus 9 upon root y is equal to minus 1. Like the previous sum, here also you can see the variables x and y are in the denominator. Therefore again, like the previous sum, by giving proper substitution, we are going to find out the values of x and y. So the substitution is, let 1 upon root x equal to a and 1 upon root y is equal to b. As I told you earlier, numbers will remain in the same place. Only 1 upon root x is going to become a and 1 upon root y is going to become b. Therefore, the equation reduces to 2a plus 3b equal to 2 is our first equation, and the second equation is 4a minus 9b equal to minus 1 is the second equation. So here we are going to interchange the coefficients and multiply. So 4 becomes the multiplier for the first equation. Multiplying we get 8a plus 12b equal to 8. Here multiplying by 2, the second equation, we get 8a minus 18b equal to minus 2. As before, we are going to subtract. Here it is plus and here also it is plus. This gets cancelled. 12 plus 18 becomes 30. 30b is equal to 10. Therefore, b is 10 upon 13, which is equal to 1 upon b. Is the third equation. So we are going to substitute this third equation in the first equation. It becomes 2a plus 3b equal to 2. In the place of b, we are going to substitute 1 upon 3. So 2a plus 3 into 1 upon 3 is equal to 2. 3 gets cancelled. So we get 2a plus 1 is equal to 2. 2a becomes 2 minus 1. 2a is 1. a becomes 1 upon 2. Therefore, we got a as 1 upon 2 and b is equal to 1 upon 3. A is taken as 1 upon root x. So substituting value of a as 1 upon root x equal to 1 upon 2 and b is nothing but 1 upon root y is equal to 1 upon 3. Therefore, taking reciprocals on both sides, we get root x equal to 2 and root y equal to 3. But we want values of x and y and not root x and root y. Therefore, to eliminate the root, we are taking square on both sides. So, x becomes square of 2. 2 square becomes 4 and y is equal to 3 square, which is equal to 9. Therefore, value of x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9. The third sum is 4 upon x plus 3y equal to 14 and 3 upon x minus 4y equal to 23. You can see here only one variable is in the denominator, whereas y is proper. Therefore, we are going to give substitution only for 1 upon x, whereas y we are going to take as it is. So the equation reduces to 4a plus 3y is equal to 14. And the second equation is 3a minus 4y, which is equal to 23. So remember, y is the same, whereas only 1 upon x is converted into a here. In the previous sums we saw x was in the denominator, y was also in the denominator, therefore we took two substitution, 1 upon x equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. Whereas here only x is down, therefore we have taken only one substitution. This is the only change between the sum and the previous sum. So to make coefficients of a, I have taken 3 as the multiplier for the first equation and 4 as the multiplier for the second equation. So multiplying first equation by 3, we get 12a plus 9y is equal to 42. And the second equation by 4, we get 12a minus 16y is equal to 92. Changing sign here for the second equations, we get 9y plus 16y equal to 25y. A terms are getting cancelled. Simplifying these two, we get minus 50. Therefore, we got y value equal to minus 2. This I have marked as third equation. So, the value of y can be substituted either in the first equation or in the second equation. Here I have considered the first equation. So, replacing the value of y by minus 2, we get a value equal to 5. Therefore, a is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 2. But the substitution for a is 1 upon x, so that is replaced equal to 5. But we want x in the numerator, therefore we have taken reciprocals on both the sides. So we get x is equal to 1 upon 5. Already y is in the proper place, therefore no change, just it is continue. Therefore we get x equal to 1 upon 5 and y is equal to minus 2.